Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Chase Hotel Credit, a valuable reward offered by Chase credit cards. To start, you need to understand what Chase Hotel Credit is. It is a type of reward that can be used to book hotel stays, often offered as an annual benefit on certain Chase credit cards. The first step in using your Chase Hotel Credit is to check your credit card account to see if you have any available credits. You can do this by logging into your online account or by contacting Chase customer service. Make a note of the amount of credit you have and the expiration date, as this information will be crucial in planning your redemption. Next, you need to understand how to redeem your Chase Hotel Credit. The process typically involves booking a hotel stay through the Chase travel portal or by contacting the hotel directly. Some Chase credit cards also allow you to transfer your points to hotel loyalty programs, which can provide more flexibility in redeeming your rewards. When booking a hotel stay using your Chase Hotel Credit, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Some credits may have restrictions, such as blackout dates or limited availability. It is also important to note that Chase Hotel Credits are typically non-transferable and cannot be redeemed for cash. To get the most value out of your Chase Hotel Credit, consider booking a high-end hotel or a luxury resort. This can help you maximize your rewards and enjoy a more premium travel experience. Additionally, be sure to book your stay well in advance, as popular hotels and travel dates can fill up quickly. Finally, it is essential to keep track of your Chase Hotel Credit expiration date to ensure that you use your rewards before they expire. You can set a reminder or mark your calendar to stay on top of your credits and make the most of your Chase credit card benefits. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of your Chase Hotel Credit, you can enjoy a free or discounted hotel stay and make the most of your credit card rewards. Remember to always read the fine print, plan ahead, and be strategic in redeeming your rewards to get the best value possible.